Hi everyone and welcome back to my final morning report charts appraisal on Thursday the 15th of October with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at gold now, and we've had such a significant improvement in gold since I've been away. Big strong run higher, massive change in sentiment. Look at this big broken downtrend. Before I went away, before I was in the last few months, I've been saying about the fact that every time we get these rallies, they keep getting sold into at lower levels. You can see the sequence of lower highs here on gold, and now that has been broken. We've seen this trend line being broken, this big primary downtrend broken. We've seen this move above 1170. 1170. Look at the floor of support, old support, big floor coming in at 1170 time and time again, became resistance. That has now been broken. That is a big break. Big closing level yesterday. Let me zoom in and you can see that better. You can see a big breakout above that 1170. Big strong green candle, move to 1190 high, closing at 1184.80. So strong breakout confirmation. We've seen the momentum indicators improving strongly. It's the RSI moving towards 70. The RSI consistently failing previously around that 60 point. Apart from that spike high in August, every time pretty much it got towards 60, failed. RSI falling over, but we're not seeing that now, and we're seeing the MACD lines picking up, seeing RSI strong, moving averages. You're trading above all the moving averages. They're also starting to rise. So pretty much across the board, gold is now improving, an improving outlook. Certainly that support is now in at 1170. That is the key level that we need to watch to the downside. You need to see that sort of old support, which was old support, which became resistance, is now supportive, having broken above that. So that is your initial line of key support, I'd say 1170, that we need to look out for. So 14 bucks down from here and now where we are. Now the breakout above 1170 opens this reaction high here of 1205.50, which was the June high. And that is your initial level that we're now looking out towards. So any sort of little dips we get in gold, I think we need to start to buy it, because certainly the dips are being bought into. Certainly looking across the last week or so, that has been the case. 1170 is a level. You've got a breakout level at 1176 as well, initially supportive. Below that you had yesterday's reaction low, which is 1164.30. 1151 also looks to be big support as well. So this week you've had several supports left on gold, and it's looking far more interesting on the upside for the bulls. And now this means I'm going to have to change my strategy of selling the rallies, and I'm going to have to start to think about exactly how I'm going to play this now, because the bulls are having a far better run of it now. They've obviously had a strong run, RSI at 70 or near 70, so this is a key moment. Whether the bulls can hold on to this move, continue to generate that strong momentum, or whether they lose the momentum quickly, and I think that will determine the outlook in the coming months. So it'll be very interesting to see how this progresses in the next few days. But very strong move in gold, and it is holding on to those gains today. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.